今天我非常高兴能够访问库马诺夫这个市啊，这个我是到马其顿任职呢，当大使呢只有4个月，我也知道呢，库马诺夫是在马其顿是一个最大的行政区，而且是离首都最近的大城市。刚才我和市长这个交换了一番。
I'm very pleased today to have visited the city Komano. As an ambassador, I have been here only 4 months. As I know, the Komano is one of the largest municipality in Macedonia, and also is one of the big cities close to Skopje.
我非常高兴今天能够有机会和这个市长先生见面。刚才我和市长先生就进一步发展这个库马诺夫和这个中国的合作关系和这种合作的可能性进行了深入的探讨。
I'm also very pleased to meet the mayor of Kumanov. Just now we have a deep exchange of views concerning the cooperation of economic development between Kumanov and China.
当前呢，中国和马其顿的关系是非常好的啊，这个关系不仅在政治方面，而且在经济、教育还有文化等各个方面都是取得了很大的进展。
At this moment, China and Macedonia has a very friendly relationship, not only in political but also in economic and education and culture.
中国呢现在这个经济发展还是高速发展，另外中国的现在一些企业也越来越多的走到欧洲啊，走出欧洲，现在就特别在最近一段时期，一些中国企业也在马其顿在寻找合作的机会。
In China, our economic growth is growing very rapidly. Most of the Chinese companies, they are looking for the opportunities to invest in Europe. Especially in recent years, a lot of Chinese companies would like to seek the opportunity to invest in Macedonia.
市长先生还有市政府呢，对和中国的合作，非常感兴趣。刚才我们也谈到了一些可能性。刚才市长先生也提到，他可能要去中国访问。我对此呢表示欢迎，而且我作为大使馆，我们也会积极的这个为这个科马诺夫市和中方的合作寻找机会。
Also, just now we have talked about the possibility of cooperation between Komano and China. And Mayor has mentioned that he would like to visit China to look for the opportunities for the business cooperation. So, as an embassy, we would show our support and help to achieve this mission.
我想今天这个也想通过这次访问的机会，借这个各位媒体朋友的这个帮助啊，这个表达我作为大使向这个库马诺夫市人民的这个良好祝愿，也希望这个中国和库马诺夫市的友好关系能够在今后能够得到更好的发展。
Also, I would like to take this opportunity through you to pass my best wishes to the people in Kumanov, and I hope that in the future that our Kumanov and also China have a good cooperation.
也希望这个库马诺夫这个市民今后有机会能够到中国去走一走看一看，这个中国呢还是值得去访问。
And also, I would like to express our welcome to the Kumanov citizens. You're welcome to visit China. China is a big country. It's worth to go to pay a visit.
谢谢。
Thank you very much.